Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript TypeORM Node.js. Today we are going to learn project structure for the Node.js and the TypeORM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that my Node.js project, there should be a source directory. Then we have an entity. Database entities come over there like users, profile, count, everything. Then we have a migration. So database migration should be go there. Controller. API route handlers for the controllers will go over there. Services, business logic, service layer will go over there. Config, database connection and everything, it will go over there. Routes, routing would be go over in the routes. App.ts file will go with the express setup. Then we have a main entry point, that is application index.ts. Okay, then we have a dest folder. So this basically the compiled javascript files generated by the TypeScript will go over there. Okay, then we have a node modules for the project dependencies, .env file for the environment variables, git ignore for the files and the folders to be ignored in the version control, ORM config, type ORM configurations, packet.json, project metadata and the dependencies, and the TS config for the TypeScript configuration. So this could be the basic structure of the project of every type ORM Node.js, right? Explanation I have already maintained, like source entity contains the type ORM entity files, each representing the table in the database. Okay, for example, user. So user would be the entity and the table would be the user table. Okay, source migration stores the migration files for the managing the database schema changes. Okay, controllers holds the responsible for handling the HTTP request. Then we have a service contains the business logic, source config, configuration files such as database connection. Route define all the API endpoints. Each file typically represents routes for the specific entity or the feature. Source app.ts set up the main application including middleware and the routing. And the source index the entry point where the server started. Okay. So we have a commands to start the server in the development mode. So we can just maintain like this. Okay, scripts. So you can just copy and add the scripts into your project. So packet.json, we have a script section. Just add it over here, comma with this. Okay, so this is how the things. So we will run start with the node dist index.js, and for build we have to. This is the compile version for the build, right? And this is the development server. Okay, index.ts. Okay, so this is the use. What is the user script? Because whenever we run into the terminal like npm run start, npm run dev, so this will trigger that point. Ts node dev source index.ts. Okay, so you have, if you want, this is basically for creating the commands rather than you are running node index.js, node server.ts. So we have created the scripts and we can use that part in the terminal. Okay, so this is how the project setup is there, right? In the coming video we will go with the, so here you can see npm run build compiles the TypeScript to the JavaScript, npm start runs the compiled code to the disk directory, npm run dev runs the dev server with the ts node dev for automatically restart on the code changes. Okay, this setup provides a solid foundation for the Node.js application with TypeScript and the TypeORM, ensuring the organized structure that can easily be expanded as the project grows. Okay, in the coming video, we will go with the setting up the TypeORM and the database connections. That is very, very important. So be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.